back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another work from home job lead for you. This one is mostly non-phone, through email and chat. There may be a few times that you have to pick up the phone and talk to people, but most of this is going to be non-phone. The company is Muck. Now, they have 83 reviews on Glassdoor and come in at a 4.7 out of 5-star rating. Of course, the links to their Glassdoor page and the job page, if you want to put that application in, is in the YouTube description box below this video. But Muck is hiring a customer support specialist. Muck is a leading software as a solution platform for public relations and communications professionals. And so they are looking for someone to serve as a first responder for inbound communication through their website. So that is going to include chat and email. You'll answer customer questions and provide how to help on Muck's capabilities with a focus on reducing customer effort and furthering their product knowledge. You'll help troubleshoot technical issues and diagnose errors online and over the phone. So if something is not correlating to the other person online, you may have to pick up the phone and make an outbound phone call to them and talk them through it. You will escalate and diagnose software issues, work with product and engineering teams to help solve those complex product issues. You'll proactively reach out to customers who show signs of user error, and you'll stay up to date and maintain product knowledge of all the product offerings of Muck and their new features and existing features. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree. They are looking for somebody who has 1 to 2 years experience in technical support or software as a service. Experience is preferred. Someone who has great communication skills. Someone who can troubleshoot and perform in-depth investigations. So you got to be a little techie. And of course, you got to be able to use Google Apps, HubSpot, all of those types of things. And they say you must be willing to work one of the following shifts. They have a 10 a.m. to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time shift, or a little bit later shift that starts at 11 a.m. and goes to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, they are paying $27 an hour for this position, and it is for my United States folks only. All right, as always, if this job lead was not for you, that's okay. Please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do try to read those and keep an eye out when I'm searching for job leads to share. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.